How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Single Section Sunday, where every Sunday I showcase a particular single section home that we have available here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Benton. If you are currently in the market for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, then look no further than the Benton. If you're subscribed, like you should be, then you know the quality that we bring here at Recreational Resort Cottages, paired with the great exterior aesthetics that also complement the interior of the home in every way. So starting here on the exterior, you'll see that we have Admiralty Blue as the base color of this home. We also have the white garlic clove trim around your doors and windows, your porch posts, and the topping of your porch railings, which you'll see the porch rails are rebar in a horizontal pattern. We chose to go with the treated lumber on the front porch to this particular model, and we've also added the wired and bracing for a ceiling fan shall you choose to add one after delivery. Now we can talk about the beautiful quality of this home on the exterior and the 30-year warranty on the siding, but let's take it inside so we can show you how great the Benton is as your choice if you're currently in the market. What's so great about the single section homes that we offer is you get more space than our traditional tiny homes coming in at 399 square feet. So in this model, it is 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 758 square feet to be exact. It's 16 feet wide, 56 feet in length, including the 6-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $90K. And I want to stress today because that's the price of the first person that's going to call me and get the Benton is getting it for $90K. I can't tell you in the future what it will be, but today it's $90K. And as you can see, this great floor plan concept starts here in the living room. So right here, we can fit traditional size furniture, couch, love seat, dining table. This is great. We bring in the natural light with the windows on each side of the living room, but also what opens this space up is the vaulted ceiling going from front to back of this home. That's complemented by the unique wood beam going down the center, as well as the 3-blade modern ceiling fan. What's also great is follow me over here to the other side, and you'll see that we have the window down low, as well as the double transom windows up above, so that's going to bring even more natural light. And as you can see here, the open concept doesn't stop there. It continues right into your kitchen / dining area. We a lot of times place an island in the home. We have chose not to do so in this particular model. So as you can see, you can put a dining table in here, and it gives you the option to do that in a single section home, which is very rare. Now you pair that with the additional countertop space that you're going to get throughout the home, and that is great because we got the stainless steel appliances in here. This is electric, it's prepped for electric. However, you can convert to gas, shall you choose to. We've paired that with the black Samba countertop. That's a first here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And we've added the power sequence backsplash here on the home as well. So you see how that pairs so lovely and brings that color pop out. So that's a great palette that we chose to add. And then right here we have the stainless 2-basin sink with your window right up above. We have your stainless steel dishwasher down below. All this additional countertop space for prepping and additional storage up top. And keep in mind, as I show you, that these have adjustable shelving going throughout. So that is a great option to have in our homes, and it makes it great for everyone, no matter the size, no matter your height. Mr. Tiny's got you covered. Now follow me this way, and you'll see that we've got the side-by-side fridge with ice in the door, and then the not 2, not 4, not 6, uno, dos, tres. That's 6 in Spanish for anyone who cares. So right here we have a 6-door pantry right over here to the side. So as you can see here, the deep cabinets from top to bottom offer additional storage space for you for all your canned goods, your cereals, your oatmeals, all that good stuff. Now right over here, we've got an additional window as we come down the hallway, where you'll see that we have the HVAC system, because in this home, you're going to have central AC and heat in here as well. And then right over here, we have the first of the 2 bedrooms. This would be considered the guest bedroom, or for a lot of people these days, they're using them as an office. So this is a great office space or a small second bedroom for you. We have the window in here, bringing in additional natural light, 3-blade ceiling fan up top. Keep in mind, we have the in-ceiling venting right here going throughout our homes, and pair that with that crown molding. Whoo, this is site-built quality. We have the closet right here, and as you can see, shelf rod there for you, and you store all your things down below. And as we come on out, you'll see we have the adjustable ceiling fan right there. So hey, we've got it down to the T for you. And then right here, you're going to have your second exterior door. That's going to be where if you're out in the yard, you can come right into your home, right over into this area where your stackable wash machine and dryer would go right here, which would lead right into your bathroom. And in this bathroom, you know how we do it here at Recreational Resort Cottages. We continued this black Samba countertop right here. We have the linen over your toilet area, and then we have the full glass sliding door here with the Carrera tile going throughout the shower in a horizontal pattern. And we chose to, guess what, add that power sequence mosaic accent band going throughout this shower. So that's going to bring out and tie in together your kitchen backsplash as well as your shower backsplash, but also adding a little different flavor in as well. So hey, we're thinking of it for you guys. So we've got you covered there. And then as you follow me back out into the bedroom, you'll see here, this is where you're going to have your main area for your sleeping. So right here, we have the 3-blade ceiling fan in the center. In this bedroom, easily accommodating king, queen, whatever size bed you need. As you can see, we have the Biltmore linoleum continued throughout the home. In every room, you're going to have this flooring continue. There's no carpet in this home. Also, we have double windows, one on the back wall, one on the side wall to bring in that natural light. And then of course, your closet here. So this is going to be a larger closet than the first bedroom I've shown you, because it is the main bedroom, so we're going to need that additional space here. Now follow me back through so you can see why 758 square feet never looked so large before. Because as you can see right here, as we open back up to the main area, look at these beautiful aesthetics. Look at the wood beam going down the center, the white cabinets paired with the power sequence backsplash. We have the open concept here. We have the abundance of space here in the living area, so that way, just because you're downsizing or moving into a 2-bedroom single section home does not mean you have to sacrifice everything. You have enough room in here to live comfortably and happily. So again, this home is the Benton. So right here, it is 16 feet wide, 56 feet in length, including the 6-foot front porch. Again, on sale today for $90K, $90,000, exactly as I showed it to you today. So I just want to thank you guys for tuning in to another Single Section Sunday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Please like the video, hit that thumbs up button and the notification bell so that way you are notified every week as new videos come out from homes that are 399 square feet up to 2,500 square feet. Also, leave a comment down below about what your favorite feature of the Benton is, what you'd like to add to the Benton. We're always taking ideas and constructive criticism, so that way we can give you the homes that you are interested in here at Recreational Resort Cottages. Last, subscribe like you should be right now, so that way you are part of the family here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And also, if you want to contact me directly, hey, you can contact me anytime, day or night, on Instagram at @TheMrTiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with anytime. I'm selling the Benton as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram, and I would love to assist you and get your home in order. I'm telling you guys, I'm the one that can bring your tiny home dreams, single section dreams, or multi-section dreams to life. So I want to thank you for tuning in to another Single Section Sunday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.